So here is the multi-chart setup for Tick Pulse version 10. Here's what you do is you go Format, Signal, and we see, or actually Format Instruments. Let me show you that. Format, you're going to go Format Instruments on the top of your menu, and here is the way the data is set up. Whatever symbol you have for the E-mini S&P, this is using TradeStation data. This is how you set it up, and you see here 15-second charts. You want to use the custom session CME Equity Index Futures and Open Outcry. So you want to use CME Equity Index Futures Open Outcry, just the day session. Here is the instrument, and so these are the settings that you'll want for the E-mini S&P. For the NYSE Tick, I use U.S. stocks regular trading hours and 15 seconds as well. On data 2, you want to insert that symbol, and so whatever NYSE Tick symbol that you have, that is where you place it. VIX, this is for the VIX symbol, whatever your symbol is, this is what it is in TradeStation, and here are your settings. Use 1-minute charts on this, so we're just referencing VIX. We want it to be greater than 15 on the VIX filter, or you can change that number. That 15 is an input that you can also change. And so also, since the NYSE Tick is different on different platforms, different data feeds, the NYSE Tick is slightly different. The numbers that will be affected most are Tick Pulse Long, Tick Pulse Short, and you could experiment with L1 Long and L1 Short because your results will be different if you don't have the TradeStation data feed. And so what I've found is that these numbers need to be lower. TradeStation NYSE Tick tends to have higher swings, greater swings than some of the others that I've seen. So if you have a different data feed like Kinetic or IQ feed, you on average want to make these numbers smaller, and maybe make these, I don't know how you would vary these. You can maybe check them between 10 and 50 in increments of 10. So that is how you would set up multi-charts, and you can also reference the inputs on the other videos that we've made for this setup.